Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about the Vevor LED message writing board. This was given to us to test and review, and we had a lot of fun checking it out, writing on it, and illuminating it. This comes in several different sizes. This is the 24 by 16, and the magic happens when you turn on the lights behind it after you draw on it, and everything comes to life. Everything is neon and fluorescent. It comes with 8 fluorescent chalk markers, a remote control, with a bunch of functions. It has over 16 colors, 4 modes, many brightness levels. It's a lot of fun to see how your creations turn out after you turn on the backlight and play with all the different color modes. They offer several ways to power this on. You can plug it in like normal. You can also use a battery pack that comes with it and also a USB connection. You can hang this vertically or horizontally. This is great for shops, any kind of events. You can use it in your home or office. There's plenty of opportunities to use this. This was a lot of fun to test out, and it's built really well. I hope this review is helpful. Thanks for watching.